So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to solve the HackerRank question. The first question is minimax. Please read the question first, then try to solve the question. So first question is minimax sum. So okay, so let's start coding. So return to minimax. So uh, we just print two things. Print at first we need to print the minimum sum. So print sum of array minus maximum of array and in with uh, blank and next we will print the maximum sum. So we need to print the okay. So this is our question. So at first I am doing the sum. So sum is the function which return the summation of the array element, all array elements, and the maximum is the function which returns a maximum element from an array. So sum of array and min is the function which returns a minimum element of the array. So I don't need this, and I just run the code and see what goes. And I think okay, so done. So submit the code and see. Okay, so our code successfully completed the private display. So next question is birthday candle. So this is another very easy question. So we just return. So return count. So air dot count. So count is a method. So returns the number of instance, number of count of particular element in an array. So max of array. So max of array, and okay, just run the code, and it is another very easy program. So obviously, so okay, Python is a very easy language. So each and everything is very easy. See, one line is enough for a 10 points code. Okay, so our next question is grading HackerRank solution. So okay, so we need to complete this function and we need to return a array of answers. So define the answer is equals to array. So okay, so for I in grades, so okay, if I is greater than equals to 38 and I of mod of 5 is greater than 2, then answer dot append. So I divided by 5 plus 1, so just okay into 5, else answer dot append I, and for debugging I just want to print the answer here, answer, and return the answer. Okay, so I think so run the code. Okay, so you can see the debug output 75, 67, 75, 67, 40 and 33. So submit the code, and is it okay? I think obviously it is okay. It is fetching the result. Okay, so successfully we completed this program also. So thanks for watching, and in next video we will solve our next question, and after which we will get the second star in the problem solving. So thanks for watching our videos continuously, and please do like and do subscribe our channel, and if you like this video then please share this video with your friends. So thank you.